Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 entry not found error. Make sure to follow my steps. So first of all, if you have an antivirus ready, go to the Windows taskbar. After that, you can see this upside arrow right here. Now go to your antivirus icon, right click, and then go to open quarantine, or you can do it directly through the app. Now from here, you most likely will find the Steam or game application files. So you just need to select them. After that, select these three dots and click restore and add exception. That way you ensure that the problem will never come back, and these files are safe to be in your computer. Even if you don't have an antivirus, you just need to go to the Windows Defender security, open virus protection, scroll down, go to protection history. You will find the same files right here. You just need to do the same thing, and that's it. Now open the launcher that you have the game on, either Steam or Epic Games. After that, go straight to library, look for the game. You will find these three dots next to the name, so you need to click that. After that, you need to select manage. Now you just need to click on verify in order to start by verifying the internal and original files of the game, and the corrupted or missing files will be recovered safely, so you can run the game without any issues. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.